In this video, we will demonstrate how lenses bend light to form images. Our eyes have lenses, and glasses are lenses used to correct imperfections. Lenses use the bending of light with the law of refraction to form images. For this activity, we will use a long strip of whiteboard, a meter ruler, a box of LED lights, 2 screens, and 2 lenses. Turn on each of the 4 different color LEDs and place them at the beginning of the whiteboard. Also place a screen near the end of the board. Notice that the image on the screen is blurry and unfocused. Then, place a biconvex lens near the light box and move it farther away until you see sharp, bright lines of colored light on the screen. This is the image formed by the lens. The curved surface of the lens bends light coming from the light box, called the object, to a certain point, called the image. If the lens is moved a little farther, the image becomes unfocused again. To have a clear image on the screen, the lens and screen must be a certain distance from the object. Now we place another screen above the lens to block any extra light not coming through the lens. Notice that even if half the lens is covered, we can still see the whole image because of light that is bent from the other side of the lens. The image is also dimmer because there is less light coming through. Turn on the lights and use the ruler to make marks where the light box, lens, and screen are. Measure the distances from the light box to the lens and from the lens to the image. These are the positions that create a focused image for this lens. Now let's model nearsightedness. Move the image screen farther back and put the lens and blocking screen back in place. The image should become blurry again. Now, place a biconcave lens near the light box and move it toward the other lens until you see the image focus again. The biconcave lens acts as a corrective lens for myopia. Myopia, or nearsightedness, occurs when the image is formed in front of the retina. The retina is the part of the eye that captures images and sends them to the brain, like the image screen here. Mark the new positions of the lens and screen. Measure the distances between each element and notice that while the convex lens is still in the same place, the screen distance has increased. The concave lens corrects the system and the image is focused in a new place.